Good morning students. Now today we will discuss some questions of chapter inverse trigonometric functions. Let's see. Our first question is prove that tan inverse root x is 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x by 1 plus x. So we have to prove that this tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now we will take right hand side and prove it. 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now 1 by 2 cos inverse this 1 minus this x we can write root x whole square by 1 plus root x whole square 1 by cos inverse, and this can be written as this is the formula of if we are taking this is cos inverse 1 minus root x. So at the place of this we can write this is the formula of cos inverse, we can write 2 tan inverse root x. 2 tan inverse root x, this is the formula of this and this will cancel. We can write tan inverse x, which is our left hand side. Okay, this is right hand side and we have written this root x whole square 1 plus root x whole square. So this is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, but here is root x, so we will write here root x. Okay, now we will see next question. Next question is find the value of following. Tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So here is y. 1 minus y square 1 plus y square. So sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Okay. So we have to simplify this. So tan 1 by 2 at we are supposing that x is tan theta. So we can write sin inverse this is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and cos inverse let this y is tan phi. Okay, so this will be what 1 minus tan square phi 1 plus tan square phi. So tan 1 by 2 this is sin inverse or sin 2 theta, and cos inverse cos 2 phi. So tan 1 by 2 this will be 2 and theta will be tan inverse x, and this cos and cos will reduce and phi will be tan inverse y. So from here we will take 2 outside, we get tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, we know the formula that tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So it will be x plus y by 1 minus xy. This will be our simplification of this question. Okay. So what we have done, we have taken this x is tan theta and this y is tan phi, and now we are solving this and putting the value of x here. So we are getting sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, cos inverse 1 minus tan square phi by 1 plus tan square phi, and this will reduce in sin 2 theta and it will reduce in cos 2 theta. Okay, so sin and sin will reduce, cos and cos will reduce. We get 2 theta and theta is tan inverse x. So here 2 tan inverse y, we will take 2 outside, it will be cancelled, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x y, it will be our answer. Now we will see next question. Our next question is, prove that cot inverse under bracket 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x under root 1 minus sin x is equal to pi by 2, sorry, x by 2. We have to prove that this cot inverse under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x, under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2. So we have to prove that this is equal to x by 2. So now we will start from left hand side. So let cot inverse, this under bracket we can write that cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by again cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now we will write cot inverse under bracket, it will be written cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square plus under root x by 2 minus x by 2 whole square and divided by again under bracket we can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now this is cot inverse cos x by 2, taking is outside from square root, we write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 and divided by cos x by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now cot inverse, this term will be cancelled and we get 2 cos x by 2 and from here 2 sin x by 2. Now this will be reduced in cot inverse cot x by 2 and it will be x by 2. So students, what we have done in this question, we have to given cot inverse under root 1 plus sin x and plus under root 1 minus sin x divided by under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x, and we have to prove that this will be equal to x by 2. So we have taken left hand side and start solving this. So cot inverse under root, this is cos square x by 2, this one we can write cos square x by 2 sin square plus sin square x by 2, and sin x we can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and in the same way we can write here also, we can write here also, we can write here also. Now this is we can write for a square plus b square plus 2ab, so we can write a minus b whole square under root, and this is in under root a minus b whole square, or this is under root a plus b whole square, and this is a minus b whole square. Now this cot inverse will be what equal to under root. So when now we will taken out this from the square root, we will write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 and plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and this will be changed in cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus this will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, but outside is negative sign, so sign will be inside change, so we will write plus sin x by 2. So sin x by 2 sin x by 2 will reduce, cos x by 2 cos x by 2 will reduce, we get what, with root 2 and root 2 will cancel, we will get cot inverse cot x by 2 which is equal to x by 2. This is we have to prove that. So I hope you understand, you have no doubt in this question, we have proved this easily by using the trigonometry formula here. Okay, now we will see the next question. So next question is to prove that, solve tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x when x is greater than 0. Tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Okay, so first we will send this 2 to the left hand side. 2 tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x, which is equal to tan inverse x. Now we will apply the formula 2 tan inverse x in the form of tan inverse x. So tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square, which is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, so this is tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x by, it will be changed, now we will take the LCM, we get 1 plus x whole square, and from here 1 plus x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x square plus 2x, and it will be equal to tan inverse x. So 10 and 10 will reduce. So this will be cancelled, and 1 and 1 cancel, x square cancel. So 10 will reduce from both sides, so we get 2 1 minus x by into multiplied by 1 plus x and divided by this is 4x, which is equal to x, and this we can write 1 minus x square is equal to 4x square. So 2 minus 2x square is 4x square. 2 is equal to 6x square. So 1 is equal to 3x square. So x square is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by root 3. So it will be our answer. So students, what we have done, we have just applied the formula to tan inverse x, which is equal to what? To tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. And now after this, we are taking LCM from here in the denominator, and it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here again will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the negative sign is outside, so this inside sign will change. So this will be cancelled and this will again cancel. So tan inverse will reduce from both sides. So we get 2 1 minus x, and this will be goes to the numerator. So it will be 1 plus x here, and this 2x and 2x will be 4x is equal to x. Now we will cross multiply this. So we get 1 minus x square 2. This is equal to 4x square. And after simplification, we will get our x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay, now we will see next question. Our next question is solve cos tan inverse x is equal to sin cot inverse 3 by 4. Cot inverse 3 by 4. We have to solve this and find the value of x. Okay. So students, we can write this cos tan inverse x. This is equal to cos pi by 2 minus cot inverse 3 by 4. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So you can write this. Now this cos and cos will reduce. So tan inverse x will be pi by 2 minus cot inverse 3 by 4. Okay. And this tan inverse x we can also write pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. So it will be pi by 2 minus cot inverse 3 by 4. So this pi by 2 cancel. So cot inverse x is equal to cot inverse 3 by 4 from here. Now we will find the value of x after comparing both sides. So x will be equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Now we will see next question. So next question is और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is pi by 2. This is we have to given. Then find the value of xy plus yz plus zx is equal to what? So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is given to us. So then we will write what? First tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, we will send this to the left hand side, tan inverse z. Okay. Now this pi by 2 minus tan inverse z in change into cot inverse z, and here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, we will write the formula x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Okay. Now this cot inverse x, cot inverse z, we can change this cot inverse z in tan inverse 1 by z, and this tan inverse will reduce from both sides, and we get x plus y by 1 minus xy, which is equal to 1 by z. Xz plus yz is equal to 1 minus xy. So xy, yz, zx is equal to 1. So the value of xy plus yz plus zx will be equal to 1. So students, what we have done, we have taken these two and this third part we have sent to the right hand side, and from here it will be changed in cot inverse z and tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is equal to tan inverse 1 by z. So tan and tan will reduce. So x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to 1 by z, and now we will do cross multiplication, and from here we will get our result, which is xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. Now we will see next question. Next question is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B plus tan inverse C is equal to pi. Tan inverse A, tan inverse B, tan inverse C is equal to pi. Then prove that A plus B plus C is equal to A, B, C. Okay. So let student, tan inverse A is alpha. So alpha is equal to A is equal to tan alpha. Tan inverse B is equal to beta. So B is equal to tan beta. And tan inverse C is equal to gamma. So C is equal to tan gamma. Now from here we will replace this tan inverse alpha, tan inverse A plus tan inverse B plus tan inverse C, in which, so So we can write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi, and alpha plus beta is equal to pi minus gamma. Okay. Now we will take tan both sides. Okay. Taking tan both sides, then we will write tan alpha plus beta, which is equal to tan pi minus gamma. Okay. So it will be equal to pi minus gamma. Now apply tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A, tan B, tan pi minus gamma. Okay. So tan pi minus gamma we can write what? Tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta. We can write this. Now we multiply this. We get what? Tan alpha, tan beta minus tan gamma plus tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma. So send this to the left hand side. Tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma, which is equal to tan alpha, tan beta into tan gamma. So this is now at the place of tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma, we can write A plus B plus C is equal to A into B into C. This is we have to prove that. Okay. So we have to given that tan inverse A plus tan inverse B plus tan inverse C is equal to pi. Then prove that A plus B plus C is equal to ABC. Now students, we have taken what? Tan inverse A is equal to alpha, tan inverse B is equal to beta, tan inverse C is equal to gamma. From here we can write what? A is equal to tan alpha, B is equal to tan beta, and C is equal to tan gamma. Now we will put the value of alpha, beta and gamma here. So we will write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi. Now send this gamma to the right hand side. We get alpha plus beta is equal to pi minus gamma. Now take tan both sides. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Now do the cross multiplication. We are getting tan alpha tan beta is equal to minus tan gamma plus tan alpha tan beta tan gamma. Now take to this to the left hand side. We will get tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma. Now at last we will put the value of tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma in this equation, and we get our required result, which is what? A plus B plus C. From here we have supposed it already. So it will be A plus B plus C is equal to A into B into C. I hope you understand, students. So now we will see next question. So next question is 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. So we have to find the value of x from here. So this is 2 tan inverse x. So we will apply the formula tan 2 tan inverse. So tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, and this is tan inverse 2 cosec x. So this tan and tan will reduce, so we get 2 cos x, and this will be changed in sin square x. So 2 by this is sin x. This sin and sin will cancel, this 2 and 2 will cancel. So cot x is equal to 1 we are getting here. So cot x is equal to 1. So cot x is equal to cot pi by 4. So x is equal to pi by 4. I hope you understand, students. So now we will see next question next class. Thank you.